Introducing the REME HALO Zero air purification system for your whole home, verified zero ozone by Intertech. REME HALO Zero is powered by RGF's proprietary aGHP-Cell technology to create low-level, airborne gaseous hydrogen peroxide in your air conditioning system. When the unit turns on, it operates silently and continuously to produce airborne hydrogen peroxide molecules, which are distributed to the entire air-conditioned space of your home. The REME HALO Zero uses active cleaning technology that directly targets pollutants. Every time a hydrogen peroxide molecule comes into contact with bacteria, viruses, mold spores, and odors, it quickly breaks them down, reducing air quality contaminants at the source. The system also passes a charge off to all the dust, dander, pollen, and allergens in the air, which causes them to stick together. The increase in size will make your existing filter equipment more efficient at capturing these airborne particles. The REME HALO Zero is literally purifying the air throughout your whole home at the same time.